Welcome to the course, An Introduction to Revit Families. Throughout this course, you will understand the structure of families inside Revit, learn to navigate and use the Revit Family Editor, structure your families to ensure they maintain maximum integrity, model the geometry using the different methods of geometry creation, control the graphical properties and settings of the family and its geometry and components, use formula to add automation and prevent errors, and examine ways of efficiently creating and managing families. A little bit of information about the course. It will be taught using Revit 2020 LT, and a free trial of LT or the full Revit version is available from the Autodesk website, which you can get for 30 days by creating an account and downloading the trial. However, if you are using previous versions of Revit, then the functionality is mainly the same, so there is no need to have to upgrade or download a version of 2020 if that's not necessary. The course will use metric measurements and templates, so millimeters and square meters, for example. And in order to make the best use of this course, you should have a basic understanding of the interface and functionality of Revit and the elements within a project, including navigating a model using views, how to model elements such as walls, floors, and ceilings, and using and placing out-of-the-box content such as doors and furniture.